Okay, you ready? Here's a quick tour of what Mack's Apples U Pick number 3 looks like on October 30, 2011, after over a foot of wet snow fell last night. We'll do a little 360-degree turn here. Matsu trees over there with fruit still on them that are absolutely buried. Interesting thing is some of these apples, it's right around freezing and they're okay at that temperature. If the snow comes off these trees fast enough, believe it or not, we'll reopen for picking. But it does kind of look like the weather may have shut us down here. Hard to tell. Certainly a new refrigeration system for apples, I can tell you that, but I don't think I can ever remember seeing trees with leaves still on them buried in snow like this. And again, some of these trees still hold fruit, so this is a lot of weight for them to hold, but they seem to be doing okay. And that's looking east towards Derry. We're up on Pillsbury Road here. Roads are clear. Power is still out in most of the area. There's your tour.